Our universe is filled with mysteries. We yearn to understand them. Artificial intelligence offers a powerful tool in this quest. DeepSeek represents a bold leap forward in this exciting field. Imagine a tool that can analyze vast amounts of data, a tool that can learn from it, a tool that can make predictions based on patterns it finds. That tool is DeepSeek. DeepSeek is cutting-edge AI. It is designed to be user-friendly. It is designed to be powerful. It empowers researchers, developers, and anyone curious about the potential of AI. With DeepSeek, we stand at the threshold of a new era, an era of unprecedented understanding and discovery. Let's explore what makes DeepSeek so remarkable. This is the promise of DeepSeek. It is a promise of unlocking new knowledge and shaping the future. A future driven by the power of artificial intelligence. A future where the unknown becomes the known. Join me as we delve into the exciting world of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is more than just another AI platform. It's a game changer. It stands out for its unique combination of features. Features like advanced machine learning algorithms, features like a user-friendly interface, features designed for both beginners and experts. One of DeepSeek's key strengths is its versatility. It can be applied to a wide range of tasks. Tasks like image recognition, tasks like natural language processing, tasks like predictive modeling. This makes it an invaluable tool for various fields. Fields like medicine, finance, and scientific research. DeepSeek democratizes AI. It makes it accessible to everyone. Its intuitive design allows anyone to harness the power of AI. You don't need to be a coding expert, you don't need to be a data scientist. DeepSeek empowers you to explore the vast possibilities of AI. Ready to embark on your AI journey with DeepSeek? The journey begins with installation. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. We'll guide you through it step by step. First, visit the official DeepSeek website. Look for the Download section. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file. Double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to agree to the terms and conditions. You might need to select installation options. Once you've made your selections, the installation will begin. This may take a few minutes. Congratulations! You've successfully installed DeepSeek. Now let's get you acquainted with its user-friendly interface. When you first launch DeepSeek, you'll be greeted by a welcome screen. This screen provides easy access to essential features. Features like tutorials, sample projects, and documentation. Take some time to explore these resources. They are invaluable for understanding DeepSeek's capabilities. The main interface is divided into intuitive sections. Sections for data import, model selection, training, and analysis. Don't be afraid to experiment. DeepSeek is designed for exploration. Click on different tabs. Explore the various options. The more you interact with the interface, the more comfortable you'll become. Section 5. Mastering DeepSeek, Tips and Tricks for Optimal Results. You've learned the basics of DeepSeek. Now let's dive into some tips and tricks. These will help you get the most out of this powerful tool. One crucial aspect is data preparation. Ensure your data is clean, relevant, and properly formatted. This significantly impacts the accuracy of your AI models. When selecting a model, consider the specific task you want to accomplish. DeepSeek offers a variety of pre-trained models optimized for different purposes. Choose the one that best aligns with your needs. Don't hesitate to adjust model parameters. Experiment with different settings. This can lead to improved performance and accuracy. Remember, the key is to iterate and refine your approach. Section 6. Beyond the horizon, DeepSeek's potential impact on AI. DeepSeek is more than just a tool. It's a catalyst for progress. It has the potential to revolutionize the field of AI. Its user-friendly interface and the powerful capabilities are empowering a new generation of AI enthusiasts. Imagine a future where anyone can leverage the power of AI to solve complex problems. Problems like curing diseases, predicting natural disasters, and even understanding the universe itself. This is the future that DeepSeek is helping to create. DeepSeek is breaking down barriers. It is making AI accessible to all. This democratization of AI has the potential to unlock unprecedented innovation and creativity. Section 7. The future unfolds. How DeepSeek can revolutionize industries. The impact of DeepSeek extends far beyond the realm of AI research. Its potential applications span across numerous industries, poised to revolutionize the way we live and work. In healthcare, DeepSeek can be used to develop more accurate diagnostic tools, personalize treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data could lead to breakthroughs in our understanding and treatment of diseases. The financial sector can leverage DeepSeek for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment, leading to more secure and efficient financial systems. In manufacturing, DeepSeek can optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and enhance supply chain management, paving the way for smarter and more sustainable industries. Section 8. Embracing the future, DeepSeek's call to innovation. DeepSeek is not just a tool for today, it is a platform for the future. It is a call to action for innovators, dreamers, and problem solvers to embrace the power of AI and shape the world of tomorrow. The possibilities are limitless. From developing new educational tools that personalize learning to creating intelligent assistants that simplify our daily lives, DeepSeek empowers us to turn our imagination into reality. The future of AI is not predetermined, it is being written right now by those who dare to explore, experiment, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Join the movement. Embrace the power of DeepSeek. Section 9. Conclusion. DeepSeek, a catalyst for a smarter future. We stand at the cusp of a new era, an era driven by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. DeepSeek is not just a tool, it is a beacon, illuminating the path towards a smarter, more efficient, and more equitable future. By democratizing access to AI, DeepSeek empowers individuals and organizations alike to unlock their full potential and tackle the world's most pressing challenges. Its user-friendly design, coupled with its robust capabilities, makes it an invaluable asset for anyone seeking to harness the power of AI. The journey into the future of AI has just begun, and DeepSeek is our trusted companion. Let us embrace this transformative technology and shape a future where knowledge knows no bounds.